Yo, YouTube, it's been a week since the truck have been dead. So here's what I got today in the mail. It come in the mail, and this how they package like this. Okay, I will tell you what it is later on and what it does. Okay, check the picture out. I got this from eBay. $8.95, I think. Free shipping. Not too bad. It come all the way to your mailbox for you, so you don't have to run left and right to go to Radio Shack or Menards or whatever you gotta go to. $8 not too bad. And this is the serial number for the part. If you guys can see it, 757962. Okay. Yeah, let me get it closer so you can see what it is. Okay. Focus, okay. All right, here we go. And this is the address of the seller from eBay. If you guys can see. Can you get closer? All right. Okay, there we go. All right, YouTube. But before we do this and get to the story of the Tahoe, why it's not running and all those stuff, let's do this first. Look like left overnight. Dr. Pepper or Coca-Cola, one of the two. Yes, I don't know what it is, but it's a good shit. Okay, I'm not telling you the name either. One. Okay, it's pink. There we go. The third one. I don't know what it is. You guys have to take a guess at this one. Alright. There we go. Now the fourth one is, you probably know what I've been doing all this time that I make videos. But I'm there with you. Alright. Oh yeah. Alright. There we go. Take it up before white people get mad. Up. Yep. Oh, good, not bad. You know what? It's missing one thing. Let's walk backward. It's missing some ice. Make it cold. Oh yeah, you do it. Yep. Alright guys, YouTube, security modular that control this blinking security light is right here, you guys. It's right underneath this the ashtray is right here. See, I tear up the ashtray. It's right underneath here. See this two little black clips right here? That's where that clip, see? Right, that's the box. I have it open. I thought the modular was bad. I have it open, but the dang thing is good. Okay, it's not bad, no burn, no nothing, so I hook it back up. But what I got to do is put it back in this little clip slot. So if you really want to know where the security control module is, it's right down here, guys, right here. I didn't have to take off this whole bracket because too many screws. So what I did is I get a flathead screwdriver, push this two clip like this, push it way back that way and slide it out sideways. And then unhook the clip, the wiring harness that's connected to the control modular. Okay. The yellow to the black and orange. Okay, so what I end up doing is I order on eBay. What I show you in the beginning of the video is this right here, the own guy. Okay, see that? If you can see it, get that. So what mine is, you know, it came in different color, and there's a paper that come with it. I lost the paper. Yep, guy, I lost the paper. Oh, it's right here. Right here. Okay. I lost the paper, but I found it. Okay. See, mine is, remember I told you guys 2.3. See at the top of my thumb fingernail. Here's the key. The key set that I bought, as you see in the video, like I mentioned earlier. I got 2 keys and the key housing. The whole thing that go in and out is plastic for $11. Yeah, free shipping, so it's good. Check it out, guys. Okay. See? I turn it on. There you go. You can see the security a little bit. Check it out. It start up, dude. Working. Yeah, it's working. Look. See, gas pedal. Cool, huh? All right. I see you later, YouTube. Thank you so much.